Hello friends. On May 18th, Sambit Patra released some documents of a toolkit in a press conference allegedly created by the All India Congress Committee Research Department, claiming that a conspiracy was being hatched by the Congress party to defame India, but of course he meant Modi. This same strategy was used last year when a toolkit document taken off the internet was used to propagate lies about an environmental activist, Disha Ravi, to show that external forces are interfering in our own internal matters when the farmers' protest was picking up speed. In short, a toolkit is a collection of resources for frontline workers who are engaged in a task or a campaign. This time, the toolkit is being used to divert the attention of the people away from the failings of its own government towards the opposition, when the truth is that the Congress and its youth wing are actually helping the people on the ground above and beyond what is required of them. Modi and BJP need to answer. Did the Bombay High Court need a toolkit while criticizing the central government for not doing door-to-door vaccinations of senior citizens, bedridden citizens, and differently abled citizens? Did the Allahabad High Court need a toolkit while criticizing the UP government and stating that citizens are now Ram Bharose? Or when the Gujarat High Court condemned the state government for downplaying the crisis? Or when the Supreme Court created a national task force for handling the oxygen crisis, when this job should have been done by the center? Bodies flowing in the Ganga and Yamuna because of a toolkit. Thousands of bodies buried in the sands across riverbanks are because of a toolkit. Crying patients in front of hospitals for beds and hospitalization is because of a toolkit. Citizens dying because of oxygen shortages because the toolkit said so. Hundreds and thousands of bodies burning across cremation grounds because the toolkit said so. The fact is, if everything good in New India is because of Modi, blame needs to be laid at his feet when we are in the middle of a medical crisis which has been exacerbated by micromanagement by the PMO, ignorance of the science, not allowing a serious attempt at genome sequencing, or planning ahead to meet the vaccine demands of our own citizens. For 13 of the past 23 years, our BJP government has been in power. In 2024, they will have been in power for 16 of the past 26 years. It is high time that Modi and the BJP realize that they are responsible for the state of our nation today, instead of diverting attention of the nation from its own failings. That's all for today, friends. Thank you.